Today we're going to be working on putting a latch on this door. For the last couple of weeks, they've just been kind of flopping in the breeze here. We've been propping a stick up against them to hold them shut at night. So today we're going to try to fix that. I cut some pieces here out of hickory and oak, and we're going to fasten them on here and see if my idea works. I was trying to use as much wood as I can for these latches, and I was trying to keep it as old-fashioned as possible. So let's see how it works. Our basic idea here is we'll have two loops on each door. This will slide through. Then we'll have a piece back here, and it can slide like that to clear the other door and then slide back to the latch. That'll also give us a handle on the door here. So let's get these screws put in and we'll see how it works. I gotta test fit it first before I get too carried away with it. Right in there, looks good. Okay, now we're gonna slide it open. Open our doors, shut it. The latches, they can still come out a little bit, but not much. This door is going to have a latch inside down into the floor, so that door will be steady. So yeah, I think that'll work just fine. Let's get the rest of these screws in. That'll do what we need it to do. Ought to work just fine. The worst thing is if someone would slam it like that, but I think it'd still be fine. I don't think it would hurt it too bad. So there we go. That'll work for now. We might eventually put a metal latch on it, but I don't know. I like the way that looks. We might just keep it that way. Thanks for watching. If y'all enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe, and we'll keep on making them. Y'all have a good day.